How to add folders to OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to add folders on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to add folders, tap onto Files right here. Select it. Then here you can find My Files. Now select it. Now tap onto plus button right here. Tap on it. Then to add folders, tap onto Add Folder right here. Select it. Now simply name your folder just like this. And tap on to Save. Now you can see you have added the folder. Now to add files and other stuffs on this folder, simply tap plus to add a file. Just like this, and simply from here add the files onto this folder. And that's it. This is how you can add folders to OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.